Hey everybody, so today I will talk about the translation of the function. So we have the function fx in here. Now they ask to draw the new graph with y equal to minus fx plus true. First, we will analyze about minus fx in here. In the minus fx, all the function will be the opposite on the negative number. It means on the number in here they will become the negative because they are the positive number. So the function of the negative fx in here, they will become like this. So this is about the negative fx in here. Now we plus number 2 in here. So that's on the value in here, they will move up forward 2 digits. So that we have the new graph in here. So this is about the graph of the function minus fx plus true, because you move on the everything number plus true, so that's the minus 2 in here, they become the 0 in here. So about the become 0, they will become plus true because we add more 2. That's why the function they will move upward on to the from the minus 2 to 0, and from the number 3 become 0, they become the number 2. So that's the graph of the minus fx plus true. The next one, we have the function fx. Now we have the x minus 1 in here. So that if we have the x minus 1 on the value, then we move to the right, so that we will have the function in here. So that's on the function they move to the right, so that's from negative 3 you need to plus 1. And that's why you got about they move to the right because you have the minus 1 inside the function. Now we have the minus 2 in here. Minus 2 is that on the graph they go downward. So that you got a new graph in here. This is the graph of this one because we move downward 2 digits. That's why in here they will go to the 0, and this one they will go to the minus 2. So that's the graph, they will go down. That's why from here they go down to 2 digits. The fx 2x inside the function. So that's on the function they will shrink in here. It means number 3 they will become 1.5 and minus 3 will become 1.5, and the graph in here should be like this. So that's that we will screen on the S in here. That's why we have this, the graph is screen smaller together. That's why we have the graph for the function f with your 2s. function y equal to 2fs plus true. We have number 2 next to the fs, so that's why the result in here, then we go to number 4. So the graph for the 2fs, it should be like this. And this is number 4 in here, and we keep the same one, and the graph is about number 4 because we need to multiply with 2. That's why the number 2 in here, then we multiply with number 2 is about 4. Now we have plus 2 in here, plus 2, they will move to the upward 2. So the graph for this one, they will be like this. So in the top one, they have to become 6, and now the location from the 0 in here, it will become 2 because we move the graph to upward 2 digits. So this is the graph for the function 2fs plus 2.